This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cory. Single-story pool home located in the waterfront boating community of Palmetto Point. The community is located on the northwest side of Palmetto with access to Terra Chea Bay via the private community boat ramp. Optional membership in the Community Association provides access to the boat ramp, dog park, community center and more. Bring your toys, boat/RV/golf cart/etc. With no deed restrictions, no CDD, no HOA, Palmetto Point is the best of Old Florida. This home is just a short ride/walk from the bay and is situated on a double lot. The home offers 3 beds, 2 baths, covered and screened front porch, pool with screen enclosure and covered patio, attached garage and much more. The location cannot be beat and is convenient to I-275 and I-75 with easy access to Tampa, Sarasota, and St. Pete area beaches, boat access, fishing, and much more. Don't miss this one. For more information